video, and today's video we're gonna go ahead and jump into it because I am finally giving you guys a room tour / college update tips. Okay guys, so I'm giving you guys a quick room tour. It should be about a good cool less than 5 minutes, and then I'm going to sit down with you guys and talk about some tips for college for beginners and kids that are going to school as we speak right now, and even high schoolers. If you're in high school, you definitely can use these tips, so they're for both. So let's go ahead and jump right into this video. Okay guys, so right now we are in my room, and so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to walk in my room for you guys, and I'm going to show you guys what my room is looking like. So let's go. So you guys, we're walking into my room, and they have like doors, so it's 4 girls. This is nice. Okay, so first, this is like the dresser that we have, and over here I have a humidifier, I have a fan that rotates, and I just have like my trash bags over here, everything that I keep my room clean with. And then I have all the things I use after I step out of the shower. You go here, and I have my calendar, which I showed you guys in my previous video, that I use to set out my month, things that I have planned. As you see, it's pretty filled up. Okay, then right here I have my TV. I have like these storage bins. I have like all my medication and stuff. And these cabinets, these drawers, I have all my school supplies. Literally all of my school supplies. And then we get into the second drawer, and I have all like my studying things, my notebooks, paper, the usual. This drawer, you guys, is really hard to open, but I have copy paper and I have a binder for studying. I have like this Live Gratefully picture that does flip and to Joy to the World, which I'm gonna flip that Christmas. So here I have a curtain, and I have curtain lights. So I have the string lights. This is my bed with my huge black rug, and like I told you guys, I do have to clean. I have curtain lights up here, and I'm gonna insert a clip of what they look like in nighttime, because right now it's too bright to show you guys. I have a satin pillow, girls gotta keep a satin pillow. And then I have like this big fluffy pillow right here, and it's inverted. So yeah, and I have this nice fleece blanket that I put over, my covers, and I just have like a nice simple black comforter. And so I ended up purchasing this little thing that said family. And guys, I still have to go shopping for more like wall pieces, so don't think like, oh, this is just it, Now we are entering my closet. Give you all like a little glimpse of what's in there. So these are all of my shoes, and I am gonna do a Fashion Nova haul because most of these shoes are Fashion Nova. This is me, guys. I have these nice Tupperwares that are very organized. You can see these are my towels. These are like the junk, thumbtacks, earrings, perfume, Halloween decor. This is my happy place right here. And so I have, my humidifier box. I have my waist trainers right here. Definitely investment vacuum. And I have 2 storage containers, with leftover things that I couldn't put up in my room. So now I'm going to take you guys to the bathroom. Okay, so this is my scale that I purchased. And these are all of my beauty products, dental stuff, combs. I have cleaning products, everything to keep the bathroom nice, of course. So this is the sink. It only has 1 sink with one of those mirrors that I always wanted. This is all of my stuff over here. I have all of my, gotta keep the edges straight. face cleansers, anything with hair and face washes. This is the bathroom. Of course, these are mine. I have a addiction with buying hair stuff, so I have all of my hair products and body washes in separate containers. Toilet paper up here. My roommate bought this where we can put like all the feminines and sprays and clean stuff that we use for the inside bathroom. It's a nice little rug, curtain. This is my stuff. This is my roommate. This is the tub, you guys. So it's like a shower, you know. It's like one of those shower tubs, nothing too fancy. The living room. So now we're at the kitchen, and I'm gonna back up so you guys can see. Okay guys, so that was like a quick little tour for you guys to see. Of course, I'm gonna insert clips for the things that I needed to insert clip for. I will be doing a updated room tour because I will be adding more things into my room for you know, just a better look for my room, because I feel like a lot of things are just like plain. As you guys see, the walls is very plain, so I still have a lot of things to get. So today's video, I just wanted to update you guys, like just on some tips that you guys can use for college, and that's really it. It's gonna be like a very short video because it's just like a little update from things that I've mentioned previously in my other video. You guys, college is not hard. You make it hard when you don't understand something and you don't reach out and try to figure it out. College isn't hard. College is not a scam, you guys. It's not a scam unless you're coming to college for something that you don't need a degree for, okay? That's the only way it could be a scam, okay? Don't listen to people that say college is a scam. As far as financial wise, it's a little bit too costly for a lot of things, but you know, pick the college that's right for you. You don't have to go to a high university, nothing. Also, I want to say, take all the tutoring sessions as possible. Go to SI sessions, which is supplemental information, I believe. Anyways, you would know once you go to school, or if you're already in school, you know what SI tutors are. Like, please do the tutors. Please ask your teacher what you don't understand, because the minute that you just bypass the stuff and don't really work on it, that's when you start slacking in school, because college is not hard. It's not hard unless you don't take the time to understand what you don't know. You also have to learn your studying style, because a lot of stuff you can't just go to tutors for and expect your tutors to help you with everything. You have to put in the effort alone as well. So it's like, put in the effort to study / put in the effort to go ask for help from tutors or whoever, you know. So do tutors, get all the help that you need, you guys. Take time for yourself. Don't surround yourself with just school stuff. Go find a job. That can help as well. Finding a job, knowing that you have something else to do outside of school, helps. I'm taking these goodbye stress things, and of course my melatonin that I showed you guys in the last video. But these work as well. Y'all can get you a pack of these from the school store or even Amazon, whatever. But guys, next video will be a clothing haul from Fashion Nova. All the items that I purchased from Fashion Nova. So stay tuned for that. You know, it's already fall, you guys. It's already fall. Fall started yesterday or the 21st, one of those. So it's already fall. It's time to order some fall clothes, fall attire. So we're gonna do a fall Fashion Nova haul / regular clothes, regular Fashion Nova clothes as well. I also want to do a day in the life of a college student for you guys, just to see like how my day is scheduled. I want to do a week I think I'm gonna do Monday through Friday because that gives you guys more of a, you know, better insight, you know. So Monday through Friday, I'm going to take you guys to the gym with me. I'm going to take you guys to my classes, what the classes look like. Are they packed? Zoom class as well. What I eat for breakfast, what I eat for lunch, me going to work as well. So you guys get to see what it's like of a working college sophomore student. Stay tuned for the next video, you guys. I love you guys, and we're out, babes.